What if I told you the biggest threat to the global payment giants isn't coming from the Silicon Valley but from India? No card, no swipe machines, no 2% fees, just a phone and instant money transfer. Well, this is the story of India's UPI Unified Payment Interface that is quietly challenging MasterCard and Visa card. Now you are watching StraightX. Hello, Namaskar. Welcome you to today's episode of StraightX. Now, for decades, digital payments meant card networks. The merchant paid 1 to 3% per transaction, settlements took time, and infrastructure was really very expensive. Then came UPI, built by National Payment Corporation of India. Now, what UPI did? Now, UPI allowed instant bank to bank transfer, zero or near zero merchant fees, just a mobile or a QR code and 24 into 7 real-time settlement. No cards required, no middle pairs, and the result, India now processes billions of UPI transactions almost every month at a scale that rivals entire card economic. Now here's the disruptions. Well, the card companies earn from the transaction fees. UPI removes the need from those. Now the card system rely on the global settlement rails like SWIFT. Now SWIFT for international flows and UPI runs on the domestic real-time infrastructure. From small merchants in rural India, UPI made the digital payment accessible overnight. Street vendors, auto drivers, small shop, all digitalized without even expensive machines. This isn't a fintech growth, it is all about financial democratization. Now the countries in the Asia, the Middle East and even Europe are studying India's model because UPI proved something very powerful. Payments don't need to be expensive, it needs to be scalable and they need to be efficient enough. And that are the challenges every very revenue model global giants are built on. Visa and the MasterCard aren't disappearing, they are being forced to evolve. Now, UPI isn't just a payment app, it is a blueprint for sovereign digital finance. India didn't just build a product, it built infrastructure. And in the race for the financial power in the 21st century, infrastructure wins. This is more than an innovation, this is a disruption at a national scale. And here is the StraightX, we track revolution shaping the world because the future of the money, it is already in your pocket. Well, that's all from today's analysis. I will be back with another episode. Till then, just watch StraightX and do comment which brain question we need to decode it.